Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how you can enable the option to warn before showing other sensitive content on the X app. This is an important setting to help make sure you control what you see and when you see it. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust. Next, look at the top left or top right corner of your screen, depending on your device, and tap on your profile icon. This will open your account menu, giving you access to all the key settings. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your privacy, safety, and content controls are located. Once you're inside, choose Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your visibility, security, and the kind of media you interact with. Now, find and tap on Content You See. Here is where you can tell the app how to handle certain images, videos, and other types of content. Inside this menu, go to Sensitive Media Settings. This is the area that gives you control over how sensitive material appears in your feed or search results. Under the Other section, you'll see an option labeled Warn. Select this to make sure any other sensitive content comes with a warning before it's displayed. This means you'll get a notice first, letting you decide if you want to view it or not, rather than it appearing instantly on your screen. That's it. Your new setting is now in place. From this point on, the X app will automatically notify you with a warning before showing additional sensitive content. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in giving you more control over your experience, letting you browse with greater confidence and peace of mind. Remember, you can change these settings anytime by following the same steps. Whether you want to tighten your filters or loosen them, the control is always in your hands. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out the other settings in the Privacy and Safety section to customize your account even further. Your comfort online should always come first.